and Governor Simba, Member of Parliament, Mheshimiwa Tommy, Richard, together with all guests that are here today, my family that is here today, our MCAs, the teaching fraternity, everybody, my colleagues, I recognize you, PS Muragori, I can see you, thank you very much for coming, and all others that may be in the midst and I don't know you, I'm not seeing you, my colleagues from the Ministry of Health, the ones I work with and the ones from the state corporations, Jamboni Nyote and Karibu Sana here in Kisii. You are right in the village where I come from. I am a product of Nyaura, and this is where our ancestors have lived, is where my relatives all are. So you're really at my home where I am born. Before I speak, I don't know, MC, whether you will allow me to just recognize two important people. Maybe they're in your program, I don't know, but allow me to recognize them and ask them maybe to say one thing. My dear husband, James Wekesa, please, you can come and say hello.